Hello. Today we'll be solving a viral problem that I actually saw in a CAT question, an entrance examination in India. So this is the problem. So what is the last digit when you add 1 factorial till 99 factorial? Now here you have to be very careful because you don't have to find the actual addition of this. You just have to find the last digit when you add all these factorials. Okay. So first, what is a factorial? So if you already know a factorial, you can skip this. So what is a factorial? So let's look at how a factorial is actually calculated. So this is a calculation of a factorial. So n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into all the way back to 1. Okay. So let's look at some example. So let's look at 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You go all the way back to 1 and that's how you get the answer 24. Similarly, let's look at another example. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 and all the way back to 720. Now you already know this. Now let's look at the question. So we have 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial to 99 factorial. Do we actually go ahead and add it? Let's look at the first few what the answers are. So 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, 5 factorial 120, etc. And all the way back to 99 factorial. Now here, as the question was only finding the last digit. So I'll give you a hint that there is a way that you can do this in a very simple manner. Okay. So now I'll be showing you the hint. If you want, you can pause and do not look at the hint, or else you can just look at the hint and then pause and then get the answer. So here's your hint. We know that 10, when I'm multiplied by any positive number, will always end in 0. Okay, so this is your hint. You can pause now, or you can directly look at the answer. So let's look how does this actually help in this question. So let's look at 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Now if you look at this factorial, there is 10 present in this. How? 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into any number will end with 0. Same way for this. So 5 factorial has ended with 0, 120. Next 6 factorial 720. 7 factorial 5040. Similarly, as we go on, all the factorials from 5 till 99 are gonna end with 0. How does this help in your solving this question? So all units digit after 4 factorial will end with 0. That means all the numbers after 5 factorial and 5 factorial will not affect your answers. That means we can skip all of them and just focus on the first 4. That's what we'll do. So now 1 factorial is 1, and looking at these, let's just add the units digit of these factorials. So what we have is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. The answer is 13, but we just have to focus on the last digit. That is 3. So your answer for this question is, what is the last digit when you add 1 to 99 factorial? It is going to be 3. This can be further extended to questions like what will be the last 2 digits? Obviously, it's not 13 because now you don't have to look at 5 into 2, but you have to look at 5 into 2 into 10. That means you have to find out those factorials after which it's going to end with double zeros. So give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. And please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.